no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 40 of our 365-day daily devotionals. Episode 40, y'all. I'm so proud of us. We've really done good. If you have missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to see those, I will have those linked in the description box. And I'm trying to get a playlist together so it'll be a lot easier. But for now, they're just linked individually in the description box. So go check that out if you have missed any of the other episodes. And I guess that's it. So let's jump in. Okay, number 40. Let me give you all the verses. Well, make sure it's nice and zoomed in there. I like to give you all these verses. That way you can just kind of jot them down, take a screenshot. But that way you'll have them to kind of look back on throughout the day. And, you know, you never know how the Lord may use this in your life. I believe it's getting a little... It was not in focus. I hope y'all seen those. But when I read the verses, I will actually put on the screen the chapter and the verse, so you'll know exactly where it came from. Okay. Number 40. Seek my face more and more. You are really just beginning your journey of intimacy with me. It is not an easy road, but it is a delightful and privileged way, a treasure hunt. I am the treasure, and the glory of my presence glistens and shimmers along the way. Hardships are part of the journey too. I meet them out over every so carefully, in just the right dose, with a tenderness you can hardly imagine. Do not recoil from afflictions, since they are among my most favored gifts. Trust me and don't be afraid, for I am your strength and song. Do not recoil from afflictions, since they are among my most favored gifts. Don't be scared of troubles or problems, because no matter what comes your way, if you've got God on your side, you are going to be fine, I promise. So don't be scared of those things. Look at those as opportunities to grow. I am not going to let a tornado come and take my home and everything with it and it be for nothing. I want to learn something from this, and I want to grow in this part of my life. I want this to bring me out on the other side a better person and a better mother and, you know, a better partner. And I want all the blessings that the Lord has in store for me. I want those things. So don't be afraid of your troubles or your trials, because those things bring about blessings that are unimaginable. And they also bring about learning and growing. And isn't that what we're all supposed to be doing? Okay, let's do the verses. All right. When you said, seek my face, my heart said to you, your face, Lord, I will seek. Psalms 27:8. But we have this treasure in jars of clay to show that this is all surpassing power is from God and not from us. We are hard pressed on every side, but not crushed, perplexed, but not in despair. 2 Corinthians 4:7 and 8. Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. Isaiah 12:2. So good. It is not an easy road, but it is a delightful and privileged way. A treasure hunt. I don't know if I'm different or if most people are this way, but I want to learn things from things that happen in my life. I don't want to just go blindly through life without learning something every step of the way. Like, I want to learn and grow and become a better person. Daily, I try to do that. And I'm not perfect, and I'm definitely not like the best person, but I definitely strive for that, kind of. I mean, I want to learn from things that have happened, and I don't want them to be just for nothing. I want to grow, and I want to learn, and I know that God's way is the only way. It's the best way. So I want to grow closer to God, and I want to learn from God, and I want to, just come out of all of this on the other side a better person and better for what has happened. Does that make sense? Yeah. All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.